welcome to US Healthcare Nurses. In this video, we're going to provide you with a basic walkthrough of how the US Healthcare Nurses App works. So the first thing that you need to do is go to the Apple Store or the Google Play Store and download the US Healthcare Nurses App. Go to the briefcase for My Jobs. Click on Open Task List for the job you want to see. It will open and you will be able to choose the dates that you will be performing the task. This will open the task list. You can choose the task you want to complete. Click on the green Start button to perform the task. If you do not complete all of your day's assigned tasks, you will see a pop-up appear stating that there are still tasks to complete. You may also just want to mark all tasks as completed instead of marking them off individually. You will see all tasks turn green to show completed. You will be prompted to sign off on the day's completed task. You will be redirected back to the main screen. You will see a pop-up that states today's task list completed successfully. You can always return back to the task list screen if you need to review each day's completed task.